back to my channel and thank you all for joining me for another CVS deals video. This is the second week of this ad cycle and we have some good deals going on, and we also received some new coupons. Just make sure you're scanning the items with your phone to see what coupons and CRTs you have that will make the deals better. And if you're joining us for the first time, I would like to welcome you. Thanks for being here, and don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. And also check the description box for a link to a Google Doc of all the deals I'll be sharing in this video. And let's go find some deals. Let's start with the Oral-B Floss Picks. Pick up 2 of the 150 counts. They are part of buy 2 get 5 back, and they are priced at $6.79 each. Picking up 2 will total $13.58. We have a $2 coupon for one, and for the second one, there is a $1 coupon on Coupon24 app. The 2 coupons will take off $2 and you pay $11.58, get 5 back, making them $6.58 or $3.29 each. Next deal I have is on Act Dry Mouth Moisturizing Gums. They are priced at $5.99 and they are part of buy 2 get 7 back. Picking up 2 will total $11.98. Pay the $11.98 and you get 7 back. Then submit your receipt to Ibotta for $1 back for buying 2. That will make them $3.98 or $1.99 each. We have 4 off 2 Colgate digital coupon, and that will work on 2 different Colgate deals. The first Colgate deal is going to work on is the buy 2 get 3 back on toothpaste. Pick up 2 Colgate Total toothpaste on sale for 2 for $8. Use the 4 off 2 coupon and you pay $4, get 3 back, making them $1 or 50 cents each. Next Colgate deal is spend 15 get 5 back, and Colgate mouthwash is part of this deal. Pick up 3 priced at $5.79 each. The 3 will total $17.35. Use the 4 off 2 digital coupon and you pay $13.37. Get 5 back, making them $8.37 or $2.79 each. The next oral care deal I have is on Select Crest toothpaste. They on sale for $4.99, and when you buy 2, you get 3 back. Pick up 2 for a total of $9.98. Use a $2 digital coupon and you pay $7.98, get 3 back, making them $4.98 or $2.49 each. The next deal is buy 2 Polydent or Polygrip and you get 4 back. Pick up 2 60-count Polydent dental appliance cleanser priced at $5.99 each. The 2 will total $11.98. Pay the $11.98 and you get 4 back, making them $7.98 or $3.99 each. Buy any Sally Hansen cosmetics, you get 3 back. Pick up 1 Sally Hansen Hard as Nail Top Coat, priced at $4.99. Pay $4.99 and you get 3 back, making it just $1.99. The next deal I have is buy 2 get 5 back on any Revlon cosmetics. Pick up 2 Revlon Kiss Balms, priced at $7.29 each. The 2 will total $14.58. Use the 6 off 2 extra care coupon and you pay $8.58, get 5 back, making them $3.58 or $1.79 each. The next deal I have is on Real Technique Cosmetic Brush. They are part of buy 1 get 3 back. Pick up 1 price at $11.99. Pay the $11.99 and you get 3 back, making it $8.99. My next deal is spend 10 get 5 back on Clean and Clear Acne Care. Pick up 1 advanced spot treatment priced at $9.99, and that's within the 98% rule for spend 10. Pay $9.99 and you get 5 back, making it $4.99. Dove hand wash is on sale for buy 1 get 1 half off and is part of buy 2 get 4 back. Pick up 2 priced at $6.19. With the buy 1 get 1 half off, the second one will be $3.10. These 2 will total $9.29. Use the $2 digital coupon and you pay $7.29, get 4 back, making them $3.29, $1.65 each. Raw Sugar Hand Soap is priced at $5.29 and is part of buy 2 get $2 back. Pick up 2 for a total of $10.58. Pay the $10.58 and you get 2 back, making them $8.58 or $4.29 each. The next deal I have is buy 2 get 3 back on soft soap or Iris Spring Body Wash. They on sale for 2 for $11. Pick up 1 soft soap and 1 Iris Spring Body Wash. Use the $3.50 off 2 digital coupon and you pay $7.50, get 3 back, making them $4.50 or $2.25 each. The next deal I have is buy 2 get 3 back on Garnier Fructis shampoos and conditioners or leave-in conditioner. Pick up 2 Garnier Fructis leave-in conditioner. They on sale for 2 for $9. Use a 3 off 2 digital coupon and you pay $6, get 3 back, making them $3 or $1.50 each. L'Oreal Elvive shampoos and conditioners are on sale for 2 for $11, and when you buy 2, you get 3 back. Pick up 1 shampoo and 1 conditioner. Use 3 off 2 digital coupon and you pay $8, get 3 back, making them $5 or $2.50 each. My next deal is buy 2 get 4 back on Garnier Whole Blend shampoos and conditioner. Pick up 1 shampoo and 1 conditioner. They're priced at $5.99 each. The 2 will total $11.98. Use a 3 off 2 digital coupon and you pay $8.98, get 4 back, making them $4.98 or $2.49 each. Check the lip bar section at your store. Some of the Nivea products are on sale. The Nivea lip balm, originally priced at $4.19, is on clearance for $1.04. The 0.84 ounce and the 1 ounce Nivea cream, originally priced at $1.69, is now on clearance for 49 cents. And the last one I found is the Nivea lip scrub, originally priced at $4.99, now it's on clearance for $1.24. The next hair care deal I have is buy any Mimi's hair care and you get 3 back. Pick up 1 styling gel priced at $9.49. Pay the $9.49 and you get 3 back, making it $6.49. Got2b products are on sale for 2 for $11, no extra care box back. Pick up 1 spray and 1 styling gel. Pay $11, then submit your receipt to Ibotta for $2.50 back on the styling gel and $1 back for the spray. That will make them $7.50 or $3.75 each. My next deal is on Chic Razor. It's not giving back any extra care box, but it's on sale for $9.99. Use the $3 digital coupon and you pay $6.99. Next deal is buy 2 get 7 back on Nivea Men Shave Gel or the 2-pack Nivea Lip Care. I have 2 options for this deal, and the first one is to pick up 2 Nivea Shave Gel. They are priced at $6.89. The 2 will total $13.78. Pay the $13.78 and you get 7 back, making them $6.78 or $3.39 each. And the second option I have is to pick up 2 2-pack Nivea Lip Care. They are priced at $6.29 each. The 2 will total $12.58. Pay the $12.58 and you get 7 back, making them $5.58 or $2.79 each. My next deal is buy 2 get 3 back on any CVS brand bandages. Pick up 2 priced at $4.99 each. The 2 will total $9.98. Pay the $9.98 and you get 3 back, making them $6.98 or $3.49 each. Q-tip cotton swabs are on sale for buy 1 get 1 half off, and they are part of buy 2 get 3 back. Pick up 2 priced at $4.99, and with the buy 1 get 1 half off, the second one will be $2.50. These 2 will total $7.49. Pay the $7.49 and you get 3 back, making them $4.49 or $2.25 each. If you don't want the Q-tip cotton swab, you can pick up 2 chapsticks. They're on sale for buy 1 get 1 half off, and they are priced at $5.79. With the buy 1 get 1 half off, the first one will be full price and the second one will be $2.90. These 2 will total $8.69. Pay the $8.69 and you get 3 back, making them $5.69 or $2.85 each. My next deal is on the 4-pack Olipops. They're on the deal of buy 1 get 3 back. Pick up 1 price at $11.79. Pay the $11.79 and you get 3 back, making it $8.79. The next deal I have is buy any Alka-Seltzer or Philips Digestive Health, you get $4 back, and I have 2 options for this deal. The first option is to pick up a 24-count Alka-Seltzer Extra Strength priced at $8.29. Pay the $8.29 and you get 4 back, making it $4.29. And the second option I have is pick up 1 Philips Milk of Magnesia priced at $7.79. Pay the $7.79 and you get 4 back, making it $3.79. The 8-count Rolex is priced at $6.29 and is part of buy 1 get 3 back. Pick up 1, pay $6.29 and you get 3 back, making it $3.29. Playtex and Carefree products are on sale for buy 1 get 1 half off, and when you buy 2, you get $2 back. Pick up 2 49-count Carefree tongue liner priced at $4.59. With the buy 1 get 1 half off, the first one will be full price and the second one will be $2.30. These 2 will total $6.89. Pay the $6.89 and you get 2 back, making them $4.89 or $2.45 each. Lysol toilet bowl cleaners are on sale for buy one get one half off, and they are part of buy two get three back. Pick up two price at $4.19. With the buy one get one half off, the first one will be full price and the second one will be $2.10. The two will total $6.29. Pay the $6.29 and you get three back, making them $3.29 or $1.65 each. The next deal I have is the spend $30 get $10 back. Pick up two Downy Unstoppables on sale for $4.99 each, one Tide detergent on sale for $14.99, and one Dawn Power Wash on sale for $5.99. These four items will total $30.96. Use $3 off Tide digital coupon, $2 off Dawn digital coupon, and two $4 off Downy coupon, one digital and one from Coupon 24 app. The four coupons will take off $13 and you pay $17.96, get 10 back, making them $7.96 or $1.99 each. My next deal is on the Dude wipes. They are priced at $4.99 and they are part of buy two get two back. Pick up two for a total of $9.98. Pay the $9.98 and you get two back, making them $7.98 or $3.99 each. And this concludes my video for today. Thank you all for watching. Thanks for all your support, and I'll talk to you all next time. Bye.